Hi, Dr. Heilshorn. Hope you're doing well and staying safe. I decided to show you my Learning Center over video. I hope you don't mind. Just a little bit easier for me to communicate what I was thinking. So I'm going to get started. I just have a place value Learning Center for 4th grade, and it's just a couple components, so it won't take too long. But I will start with group 1. So I have 3 different differentiated groups, a lower group, a middle group, and a higher group. So group 1, everyone gets a stack of cups and a worksheet. So once they have their cups, they're going to pull out the cards that are inside. For this, it's going to the hundreds. So there are cards with expanded form 111, and there are also cards with base 10 blocks. So they can use these as well. I just wanted to mix that up a little bit. So let's say they pulled out this card. It's card number 7. So they will see that this is 111. And if they have trouble with that, that's where these cups come in handy. I think they're really cool, and it's a really cool idea. So they would look 100, find the 1, and then 10 and 11 is 11, so 111. So these cups are a manipulative to help them understand the place values. So once they figure that out, that it's 111, number 7, they'll write on their answer sheet, number 7, 111. They're going to go through all 15 cards using these manipulatives. And once they're finished, the teacher will be giving them the answer sheet. I didn't want to have them have the answer sheet before they finished so that they can actually do their own work. Once they have that answer sheet, they will check themselves with a check or an X on the Were You Correct column. This page will be collected, and then the teacher can analyze how they did and where they were struggling. So that's group 1. These are also color-coded, so blue group has the blue paper and blue dots. So next group is green group. These guys go to the thousands. So same thing, they'll pull out a card. This is number 12. They'll see that it is 2,375. And again, if they have trouble, they're going to pull this out. They're going to go to, hard to do this backwards, 2,000. See that that's 2,000. And then go on to the hundreds and tens. I forget what it was already. But these are really nice, and I've never seen them before. So it's a really cool idea. And then same thing, they'll write their answers and check themselves with the answer sheet once they're finished. Third group, same thing, except these guys are going to the 100,000s. So these go all the way out to 192,234. And same thing with these cups. Forget what that number was already, but let's say it's 436,000. They can see the 400,000, the 30,000, the 6,000, and hopefully that'll help them understand place value and the order of the digits. So for that one, they have their answer sheet and they have their worksheet. So that's pretty much it. Overall, this can be made into a class set if you have enough, or if you just have a Learning Center group, whatever your highest is, 10 kids, 6 kids, 7 kids. Or it could just be one for the whole group, depending on how many people might need these manipulatives. But that's all I have, and thanks for watching the video.